In this video, I'll show you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot so you can share documents, files, or resources directly with your audience. Adding attachments can help provide extra value, such as guides, PDFs, or important information alongside your email content. To begin, sign in to your HubSpot account and go to the left menu, then click Marketing and select Email to open your email dashboard. Choose the email you want to edit to enter the editor view. On the left panel, click the plus icon to open the module library, where you'll find different elements you can add to your email layout. From the list, locate the Attachments module and drag it into your email where you want the files to appear. Once placed, the Settings panel will open, allowing you to upload files from your computer. You can add multiple files and they will appear as downloadable links for recipients. It's generally recommended to use clear file names and keep file sizes reasonable for a better user experience. After uploading, review your email layout and save your changes. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.